I'm Aidan Murray. I'm a junior graphics programmer. I've been working at XR Games for roughly 5 months now. So I was looking for game programmer related jobs, and I was looking through Indeed and I found one for XR Games for a junior Unity developer, and I went for that, and that's how I got my job. So the day-to-day for me as a programmer is mostly like working on little bits of graphics still in the back end of Unity, and help out artists with certain visual effects that they want to do that are more complex. I think someone should join XR Games because they're very friendly and very willing to help if you ever get stuck with something. The kind of advice I would give students for getting a job in the game industry would be to build up a strong portfolio and have a website for it so it's easy to access for employers, and have a 2-minute long video of highlights of that portfolio to make it easier for employers to find you.